Hi, I'm Giuseppe Mazzola, and this is my presentation on my personal ethical issue. The first question was to describe the issue, and my issue was, should I street race for money? And street racing is like really dangerous. You can hurt people. You can get caught and get in super trouble, like big trouble. Sorry. And yeah. So that was my ethical issue. Why did I choose to work with the issue? Was because I chose to work with the issue because I grew up around cars and racing, and it's just something that makes me happy. Why is it important to me? It's important to me because I could make money and have things that I've always wanted at the same time. What are the larger concepts or ethical issues you are addressing? The larger ethical issues I'm addressing are the possible outcomes of street racing. Someone could be killed as a result of a crash or simply being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Um, I could be caught by the police and lose everything, the money, my car, the money put into the car, and even my license, so where I can't drive at all. And then another one is what I'm doing really worth it? Is the risk worth the reward? So, which of the philosophical approaches justifies your conclusion and organizes your premises? I think that utilitarianism justifies my conclusion the most because it produces the most happiness. It justifies my premises because happiness is another big reason as to why I want to race besides the money. And the utilitarian approach can go either way with my decision because it all depends on the consequences. If something goes wrong, like I get caught or wreck my car or hurt someone, then that could cause pain and unhappiness. But if everything works out, then it will create happiness for me. And then that was for that one. Um, have you acted on it yet? I haven't acted on it yet because of COVID and the weather being cold and sometimes snowy. Um, yeah. Then when will you act on it? I most likely will act on it when COVID's done with, and when the weather gets better. How much you use this critical reasoning process in other situations when your personal ethics are on the line. So I might use this critical reasoning process in other situations by slowly thinking and planning out my conclusion. With my personal ethics on the line, whatever conclusion I come to will be a big one. Some decisions are more important than others, but ethical reasons will always be what matters the most. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.